In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Google Forms. This is a handy process, especially if you're looking to manage event registrations, sell tickets, or even conduct surveys with a paid entry. Don't worry, it's straightforward and should take just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening up Google Drive. This is where you organize all your forms, sheets, documents, and more. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the upper left corner where you'll find the New button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Google Forms. Click on Google Forms and then opt for a blank form. This gives you a fresh slate to start with the customization you need. Next, give your form a distinct name so your respondents know what it's about. Simply type in a name for your form in the title field, then consider what kind of information you need from those filling out the form. Let's start with basic questions like asking for their name and email address. You must make both fields required to ensure that respondents don't skip them. This can be easily done by toggling the required button next to each question. With these essentials set up, head over to the settings button, which is represented by a gear icon at the top of your form. Click on it and you'll find yourself in the various settings that you can tweak. In this instance, navigate to the presentation section. Here you can add a personalized touch by editing the confirmation message. This is the message respondents will see once they complete the form. Inside this confirmation message, you should paste a link to your payment processor such as PayPal to guide users on where to pay. Having added the link, don't forget to click save to ensure your changes are preserved. Now it's time to make your form live by clicking on the send button in the top right corner. After sending your form, always preview it to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. If you prefer an alternate method for payments on Google Forms, consider adding a QR code linking directly to your payment gateway. Just type in a payment option question, click on the add image icon, browse your files and upload your QR code. This adds versatility for those who might want to pay using their mobile devices directly. For a more integrated approach, you might want to install an add-on like Payable Forms. To do this, click on Get Add-ons in the top menu, search for Payable Forms and install it. Log in with your email, complete the setup, and after installation go back to Google Forms. Here you'll find an option to configure payment settings. You'll set up your payment provider by toggling the form settings and ensuring the provider you've linked up processes the payment seamlessly. And that's it, you've successfully integrated a payment option with your Google form. This setup maximizes both functionality and user experience, allowing you to collect payments efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy form building.